Guys, Cody, Southeast SoftWash, getting into spring here in the SoftWash world. Got you guys a new little piece of kit for you. This is our polymer shelf system. Now this is a pretty turnkey little ready to go drop-in SoftWash DIY kit for you. What we've got here is a polymer welded mounting shelf or plate. This will allow you to set it on a flat surface like here on the lift table. You could mount it on the back wall here. We do have your blend manifold here. This is, of course, got the batch busters on it, high flow blend system. All you're gonna have to do with this is hook up your plumbing on the back side back here for your soap, water, and SH lines there. Super pump installed. This particular one's got a speed control. You can get it with or without the speed control, and a 16 gallon a minute model. And it's gonna have your 2-pin connector port. We're not gonna ship it attached because it could probably get damaged in shipping, but it's already cut out. All you gotta do is drop that through the hole, and we'll provide you the screws to lock that down so your pump will plug in right there. Run that line over to a battery. That's our 10 gauge wiring. It is gonna have a switch, so you'll need to wire that up, as well as your circuit breaker. Very easy to do. And this is gonna get you a turnkey drop in. You can bolt it somewhere, attach it up to a wall, whatever you wanna do. And the cool thing about this material, guys, it's extremely robust, very tough, and it is completely chemical proof. If we take a step back here to the other lift table, this is another version that we sell with 2 pumping systems. And you can see this one is aluminum. Very nice, heavy gauge aluminum, but aluminum is still susceptible to eventually getting corroded by SH drips and leaks and all that stuff that's inevitable in the SoftWash world. This is, for years, aluminum's kind of been the standard, kind of the go-to material. Well, let me introduce you to the future, and that's gonna be poly. And this stuff is pretty great. So we got a lot of stuff coming in this line up here. This is kind of the initial little stuff. Hey, can you grab me that pressure washer mount plate? I laid it over there somewhere. Yeah, bring me that. So we're coming out with a bunch of designs here in the polymer realm. Very cool. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it. For example, this thing right here as well. This is your pressure washer skid plate. And this will take a Honda GX 390 size. Some guys use the Predator motors. Extremely durable. It will have the rubber feet, just haven't put them on here yet, but it'll have rubber mounting feet. I think we sold our first one of these over the weekend. So if you need a plate, these have always been aluminum. Works fine. This is gonna be a bomb-proof, end-of-the-world polymer solution, and it'll outlast anything that's aluminum on the market. So stay tuned for a bunch of cool innovations coming to you guys by the Southeast SoftWash team here in the poly world, as far as shelving, bracketing, and maybe even some other stuff in the future. Grab you one of these today. These are available over on the site. This whole thing will ship to you, easy to install. You'll be off to SoftWash in heaven in no time. We'll see you in the next